Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you kick someone from group chat on Discord and from your mobile device as well. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Since we're going to be using the mobile app, as you can see guys, we need to get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Discord app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly in the process. Now let's quit the store and open Discord. Of course you have to be logged into your account. And then from here we locate the person or the user that we want to kick from the group chat. You can first pick the server, and then within the server pick the channel. Even if you choose the server itself as a whole, you can do that. We're gonna choose the channel. Now from the conversation I can even tap on the profile picture of the person that I want to kick out, but if the conversation has a lot of people and it's gonna take a lot of time for me to find them, I can tap on the name of the channel in the top, and then I find all the members here. Again, if there are many members, I can tap on the search icon in the top and search for this user right here. Once you find the user, tap on their profile, you're gonna see this right there. You can tap on the kick button that should be in red, and then you can kick them just like that. Again, you can go back to the conversation and do the same from here. You tap on their profile, and you can even have more restriction options if you tap on manage. Right here you can put them on timeout if that sounds like a better idea. You can even kick them out directly, that's what you're here basically for. You can ban them, also another good option, and you can transfer ownership if you want to do that. Now as you can see guys, I can kick them easily by just going to their profile and then tap on kick. From here I can even put a note next to their profile, so maybe next time I remember that this person violated some rules, and then I cannot give them another chance if you be given chances like that in your server. Anyways, this is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.